With barely a week left before the gates of school campuses and classroom doors swing open nationwide for the official kickoff of the school year, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. saw it fit to lend a hand in the fix and prep school work. With Labor Department Chief Francis Tolentino and Education Secretary Sunny Angara in tow, the President went to a Navotas public school to roll his sleeves up and join the community work, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
Year after year, Mirasol has been participating in Brigada Eskwela. This is her way of helping ensure that her child's classroom, who is entering grade 2 this school year, is clean and safe.
Sobrang mahalaga, sir, kasi para iwas na din sakit. Yan. Lalo na dito, pag tag-ulan, maraming mga stagnant water, kailangan na malinis para iwas dengue.
This is also what the government wants to ensure. That is why President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself led the kickoff of Brigada Eskwela in Navotas City. The President inspected the ongoing cleaning and repair of classrooms at Kapitbahayan Elementary School, the largest school in SDO Navotas, with 4,292 students expected to return on Monday. The President also joined volunteers in painting a classroom.
Nakakatuwang makita na full blast tayo sa educational sector at lahat ng pangangailangan ay hanggat kaya bigay ng pamahalaan binibigay natin.
He also checked the school CCTV cameras, which could help ensure the safety of students.
I think dito sa eskwelahan na ito, they have 16 cameras. 16 cameras para bantayan at tiyakin na yung mga bata ay ligtas at safe sila at kung merong mangyari, alam kagad ng mga teacher, alam kagad ng mga administrator.
He also joined a reading session with grade 1 students as part of the DSWD Tara Basa program. The President said reading should be given focus as a foundation of learning. But beyond the inspection, the President's directive to DepEd was clear: to ensure a smooth return to school for students.
DepEd knows perfectly well what to do. Hindi na natin kailangan silang turuan. But yun na nga, we are just improving the facilities. Kung may instruction man ako, tiyakin nila na handa sila sa pagbukas ng eskwela, ng klase. Para naman hindi nabibitin yung mga bata, tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang pag-aaral.
Meanwhile, DepEd Secretary Sunny Angara is confident that the implementation of the 3-term academic calendar this school year 2026 to 2027 will yield positive results. The Secretary emphasized that this move will help balance learning and rest for both students and teachers.
We're hoping na mas maganda yung learning outcomes dahil yung teacher mas may oras siya maghanda, may oras siya mag-train, tapos mas konti yung exams na ibibigay niya. Tapos yung dun sa punto de vista naman po ng mag-aaral, mas may oras siya for tinatawag na deep learning o talagang mag-concentrate sa pag-aaral niya dahil dun sa lumang sistema parang habol ng habol yung teacher tsaka yung mag-aaral.
Aside from parents, TUPAD beneficiaries hired by the government to help prepare schools also took part in Brigada Eskwela.
Binigyan kami ng ganoon TUPAD para makatulong din sa amin. Malaking bagay na rin yun dahil parang araw lang din bayad sa amin.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.